Want to make your Livestorm registration form stand out and better match your branding or event needs? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the essential steps to personalize your Livestorm registration forms in just a few minutes. Stick around to learn how this can help you improve conversions and create a seamless experience for your attendees. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can use Livestorm completely free by clicking the first link below. Plus, we've secured some exclusive bonuses just for you, so don't miss out. Now, let's jump right into it. Personalizing your Livestorm registration forms is a game changer for any digital marketer or event organizer. First, when you create your event in Livestorm, you'll see the option to customize the registration form right from the start. The platform allows you to add custom fields, change the design, and even include your own branding to make the form match your event's look and feel. Start by adding custom questions. Livestorm lets you include various types of fields like text, drop-downs, multiple choice, and even checkboxes. This is a great way to collect relevant attendee information that you may need for follow-ups or tailored content later. For example, you might want to ask how they found out about your event or what specific topics they're interested in. This not only helps personalize the attendee experience, but also gives you valuable data to follow up with. Next, think about your branding. You can upload your logo and select colors that reflect your brand or the theme of the event. The color scheme can be adjusted through the platform settings. Match your CTA buttons to your brand colors for a more professional, cohesive look that keeps everything aligned with your identity. A feature that stands out is the ability to create a custom registration URL. This can make your event look even more professional and make it easier for attendees to remember. It also gives you the flexibility to track the performance of different marketing channels by using unique links for each campaign. Another great feature is setting up custom confirmation and reminder emails. When attendees sign up, they will receive confirmation emails with all the event details, but you can also personalize this message. Add a personal touch by welcoming them and providing useful links or resources ahead of the event. You can set up reminder emails too to help boost attendance and keep your event top of mind for your registrants. Lastly, don't forget to integrate your form with other tools you're using for marketing or CRM. Livestorm allows for easy integrations with platforms like HubSpot, Zapier, and Salesforce. This can automate workflows, adding your registrants to your CRM or email lists without having to manually enter information. To sum it up, personalizing your Livestorm registration forms is straightforward and gives you the ability to collect the right data, maintain a consistent branding experience, and engage with your audience before, during, and after your event. Whether you're a digital marketer, business owner, or event organizer, taking the time to set up these details will improve your overall experience and help drive higher engagement and attendance. Before I wrap up, remember that you can start using Livestorm for free today through the exclusive link in the description below, plus get extended trial access to take your events to the next level. Don't miss out. That's it for today's Livestorm guide on personalizing your registration forms. If you found this useful, check out the links below for more tutorials and tips to help you make the most out of this powerful platform. See you in the next one.